When you try to claim the GitHub Student Developer Pack or Microsoft 365, the system often demands a school-issued .edu email address. If your institution doesn't provide one, you find yourself stuck in an automated error loop. We are going to step outside of that automated system. I will show you how to use manual verification to access thousands of dollars in professional developer and productivity tools. To start, you need specific physical evidence of your enrollment before visiting any support portals. Ensure you have a student ID, a current semester fee receipt, or an official enrollment letter. The success of your application depends on clarity. Your full name, the school's name, and the current date must be perfectly legible. If the document is blurred, cropped, or missing a date, the reviewer will reject it. Official documentation is more reliable than a simple email address. It provides a verifiable record of your status, which allows you to move from the automated rejection queue to an approved student account. When the .edu email requirement blocks you, it might be tempting to use a temporary email generator to get past the gate quickly. However, tech companies use automated systems to actively hunt and identify these fake domains. Once a generator is flagged, it is severed from the network, and all associated accounts are closed. This shortcut carries a high penalty. Using a blacklisted domain can lead to a permanent account ban, meaning you lose access to all legitimate services tied to that identity. Submitting disposable data to a high-level security system is an extremely high-risk strategy that can backfire immediately. Manual verification is the safer, more stable way to secure your access. On the GitHub application, selecting "I do not have a school-issued email" often creates a dead end where the form refuses to proceed. Navigate to the GitHub support site. Click GitHub Education, Student Developer Pack, then Other. Write a polite message stating your school doesn't issue student emails, requesting a manual review. Upload your enrollment proof and submit the ticket to enter the manual review queue. Shifting to the manual queue ensures a human reviewer examines your file. This removes the automated email requirement and focuses the verification entirely on your physical documents. We can use a similar approach for Microsoft 365. Navigate to the student free trial checkout page. When prompted for an email, look for the alternative verification toggle. This link bypasses the .edu prompt, moving you directly to a document upload screen. Upload the exact same enrollment document you used for your GitHub ticket. Ensuring the name and date are clearly visible will help speed up the process. After submitting, the system will display an application under review message. This confirms your account is now being processed by the verification team. Platforms offer alternative verification flows for different institutional policies. Knowing where to find them secures your manual approval, bypassing the automated blocks. You have now submitted manual applications to both GitHub and Microsoft. By providing physical proof, you have removed the need for a specific email address. Human review takes more time than an automated check. Monitor your personal inbox over the next few days for a notification regarding your status. Once approved, you will have access to the full suite of student benefits. This includes Microsoft 365 Premium, GitHub Copilot for coding assistance, premium design tools, and free web domains for your projects. Navigating these administrative hurdles ensures you have the same resources as students at any other institution. With these tools in place, you can focus on building the projects and skills you need for your future career.